Good afternoon, everybody. Wanted to introduce you to my Scout build. This is the first video in a series of videos where I'm going to be figuring out how to build my dream Scout. So I bought this 1962 Scout 80 from Idaho. It was a family who owned it for many years. Yeah, I'm going to introduce you to what I've got so far. So a couple days ago I used this chain hoist to get this body off of this frame. The previous owners had a Pontiac V6 Fireball motor, I believe it's called. Didn't really run very well, and yeah, decided it was time to take it off. I didn't want to put a paint job on that Scout and do all that work while this thing putted around, stalling out and just not running great. So I decided let's do my first frame off restoration during this quarantine since I have so much time. But yeah, I'll take you through what we got so far. Original rear end going in. This is a PTO winch that they had, so we'll take that off. That's why there's so many gear levers and switches. It's a cool little motor. For the time, I'm sure it was an upgrade. But yeah, so that's the frame. My next video is going to be cleaning up this frame and eventually pulling this motor so I can start doing measurements and getting everything ready for the Chevy 305 that I bought. So I bought this yesterday. It's in pretty good condition from what I can see. Has about 40,000 miles on it. It's from a 72 or a 77 Blazer. The guy bought the Blazer and then put an LS swap in it. So I bought this, new alternator, new starter, clutch fan. Said put a new distributor in it. New cables, new wires, new rear main seal. We'll see if that's true once I take that off. But yeah, guys, I'm not super knowledgeable about this stuff, but I really enjoy learning. This is my turbo 350 that I'm going to put in. So yeah, just wanted to bring you along for the ride. I really enjoy seeing other people's builds, so I figured let's do a build of my own. This thing had 2 bumpers and a giant winch. You can see that how they installed the previous motor. I mean, they wanted room for the air cleaner, so they just banged a hammer on there until they made some room, and they couldn't get to the spark plug, so they cut a big hole in there, so I'm gonna have to weld that up. And yeah, right now there's a couple bends and stuff that I gotta fix up. I got one of those sandblasters that attaches to my high-powered water pressure, what do they call them? Pressure washers. So I'll be getting all this junk clean and then Raptor lining everything. But just want to introduce you to the project. I got some metal work to do. I got the replacement metal here for these rocker panels that the previous owner had just cut, I guess because they were rusting. Got to get that bend out right there, and yeah, I got all that metal, so I need someone to shape this. And then I'm going to try to do most of the body work other than the metal shaping. Got some metal underneath. And any questions, any comments, any suggestions to make the videos better, please comment below. Again, just wanted to bring you guys here and show you my shop, show you what I got. I'm going to learn a lot during the way, and hopefully you can too. This is Cooper. Say hi, Coop. All right, until next time.